Are you a spiritual entrepreneur on a mission to build a thriving spiritual business while staying true to your values? You've come to the right video. Hi, I'm Banat here from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Starting off and stepping into the spiritual entrepreneur realm might feel like you're venturing into uncharted territory. Fear not, the first step is to understand your spiritual purpose. In my own journey, I discovered that empowering others in their spiritual growth was my calling. Identifying your purpose will help to serve as a guiding light during challenging times. Incorporate your spiritual principles into your business model. Allow those values to become the foundation of your brand. It's not just about selling products or services. It's about making an impact on the lives of your customers, clients, and the world at large. Hurdles on your path to success. Self-doubt and imposter syndrome are common amongst new entrepreneurs. Me. Trust me when I say it's okay to have moments of doubt, but don't let them define you. Have faith in your abilities and your unique gifts that you bring to the world. Skepticism and naysayers. I still remember a time when someone scoffed at my idea of spirituality and entrepreneurship. Look who's laughing now. Rather than let it discourage me, I used it to reinforce my belief in my mission. So don't get down by doubters. Stay committed to your purpose. Crafting a clear business plan. Craft a clear business plan. Craft a business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and action steps to keep your business on track. Think of it as a spiritual roadmap to help you to get to where you're going. Because without a map, you can't know where you're going and you're gonna get lost. So don't get lost. Identify your audience and your niche. Tailor your offerings to a specific group whose needs resonate with your spiritual values. Remember, you can't be everything to everyone, and that's perfectly all right. I learned this the hard way when I tried to cater to everyone and anybody. But it wasn't until I narrowed down my focus to a specific group of people, which are spiritual entrepreneurs, who are in the energy healing business, that I found my true spiritual tribe. Authenticity is the key. Share your stories and experiences. People are drawn to genuine experiences. We like stories. We think in stories. We tell ourselves stories. So don't be afraid to share your story. The power of social media. Share inspirational posts, engage with your followers, and create an online community where everyone feels heard and valued. Law of attraction. Visualization and positive affirmations are very powerful tools that can create powerful shifts in your business and in your life. I love imagining how things are going to be for me or how I picture it's going to be. I tell you every time that I wake up in the morning and I think about what is my intention today? What would I like to focus on today? And picture how I see it going. 9 times out of 10, it usually does. And I surprise myself every day. Integrating rituals and ceremonies into your workday can help amplify your intentions. Begin each workday with a short meditation and set clear intentions for the day. This simple practice has not only increased my productivity, but it has also amplified the impact on my work. Let go of limiting beliefs. Let go of limiting beliefs around money and embrace a healthy money mindset. Remember, money is a tool that can help you create more positive changes in the world. Setting intentions around financial abundance while staying aligned with your spiritual purpose leads to incredible mindset growth. As you embark on your spiritual entrepreneurial journey, remember that personal growth is an ongoing process. Embrace the ever-changing nature of spirituality and continuously evolve your spiritual practice. Seek mentorship and guidance from those who have walked a similar path, as their wisdom can be invaluable. Integrate self-care and self-reflection into your routine for maintaining work and life balance. Remember that you must first take care of yourself before you can take care of anyone. So make time for activities that nourishes your body, your soul, your mind, and bring you joy. Form connections and join spiritual mastermind groups to enrich your personal and business growth. Fostering win-win relationships with partners and clients is a powerful way to expand your reach and impact. Change is constant and is inevitable. Embrace the spirit of adaptability and be open to pivoting whenever it's necessary. Because sometimes you just need to stop, drop, and roll. Sometimes change is like that. Look at challenges as opportunities in disguise, and that each hurdle that you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. Celebrate your milestones and successes along the way. Each step forward is a reason to cheer and to celebrate and reflect on how far you've come. So you make sure that you do. Express gratitude to the universe and the support of those who have been along with you on your journey. Remember, the journey from woo-woo to woohoo is not a linear one, and it's okay to have moments of doubt. Stay true to your purpose, embrace collaboration, and integrate spiritual practices into your business journey. So step into your power and let the woohoo moments unfold. Remember to download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.